Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on edit. So then it's going to take you. So it's going to take you to this list. You will find display name. Just click on it. So then here in this list, can you change your name here? Add your name or your name here. Then you go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.